Welcome, today I'll show you how to hide application into your Oppo Reno 7. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into a privacy option, this one. Here we got hide apps option, tap it, and now need to choose your application. So maybe Google Chrome. For hide application, need firstly set up a privacy password. So go in tap settings, set up privacy password. I'm set my password and tap use and verify my password. And now need enter recovery information, answer for security questions. Choose your question from the list, maybe father's name, for example, and enter that, for example. And then in the top right corner we got OK button, tap it, and now need set up access code. So go into settings, and here we got example of our code. So enter maybe 0022 and confirm this code, tapping OK button in the top right corner. Okay, you're all set up. Here we got our access code, tap done. And now we got Chrome application hide, maybe Facebook will be nice, email. Okay, and now for open this application, go into our phone and enter our secure code. And here we got our hide apps, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.